going to talk about multiplying fractions in whole numbers, and multiplying fractions in mixed numbers. They all take the same steps. That's the good news. And you're familiar with them. You've done this before. This is not the first go-round. Okay? But the thing you have to know is it must be fraction to fraction. So if they don't give you fraction to fraction, you have to convert it. Okay? This example, the first example, is fraction to fraction already. But step 2 needs to be convert all numbers into fractions. And we'll talk about that with example 2, okay? Step 3, cross cancel if you can. Can anybody see any cross canceling on this specific problem? Brian?
3 to 6.
3 to 6. The 3 is going to turn into a what?
A 1.
And the 6 is going to turn into a what?
3. 2. Wait, 2, yeah.
2. We divide,
Yeah,
right?
Divide, yeah.
Divide. Don't accidentally subtract. That's a big error. So we got to watch for that. We did 6 divided by 3 to get the 2. Good job. Okay. And what else, Brian?
4 and 4.
4 and 4. You can put ones in there, or you can just mark them out when they're exact number. Okay? Because if you just mark them out, can you see what the answer is? Right? It's the numbers that are left. Okay? So we have 1/2 as our answer. Or you can take 1 times 1, right, to get 1, and 1 times 2 to get 2. So step 4 is multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom.
Got you. Okay.
Straight across the top, and straight across the bottom. Okay? And what's step 5 with fractions all the time?
Reduce.
Reduce if necessary. Okay, so example 2. We're going to do a mixed number. Mixed number. 1 1/2 times 1 1/4. Y'all remember checkmarking or around the horn, or some people call it the C? You remember how to convert mixed numbers to fractions? All right, Matthew.
I do around the horn like 2 times 1 is 2, plus another one is 3.
You multiply the whole number times the denominator, and then Matt said add the numerator. And what did you get?
3.
3. Then you copy the denominator, right? Copy the denominator. Now we're going on to the other fraction. So we have a different denominator, right? It's a different fraction. Okay, Matthew, how do I convert this one?
You do 4. It's 4 times 1 plus another one. It equals 5.
4 times 1 plus 1.
Is 5/4.
Okay. Can we cross cancel? We're on step number 3.
No.
Nope. So we go to step 4, multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. What do we get?
15 over 8.
15/8. Am I done?
No. Make it reduce.
Yes, I'm done.
Wait, Kate,
I
you put
cannot
that
reduce. I could simplify to a mixed number.
Oh.
Cannot make that fraction any smaller. Okay? Simplify means to change. Can't reduce. But improper fractions are legitimate answers.
That's what I meant. I didn't mean to reduce.
Okay? Improper fractions are legitimate answers. So let's do one more example for a whole number to a fraction, and then we'll talk about questions. 8 times 3 1/2. 3 1/2. Keaton?
First, you'd have to change 8 into mixed numbers. It would be, yeah.
Right?
I thought it'd be 8 over 8.
Nope, that changes the value. 8 over 8 is equal to 1. I need it to still stay equal to 8. So 8 divided by 1 is still 8. So I just put a 1 on the bottom. Always with a whole number, you always just put a 1 on the bottom. Good question. Matthew?
For the 3 1/2,
Uh-huh.
you do 2 times 3 equals 6, and plus 1 is 7.
So 7 over
7 over 2.
7 over 2. Can we cross cancel?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Miss Amijah.
2 and 8.
2 and 8.
2 becomes 1 and 8 becomes 4.
Yep. Multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom.
28. Oh, I know. Yes. Yeah.
I'm agreeing with you, but if I did what I just said, it's 28 over 1, right? But you're right, we must always reduce to the whole number. That's the simplest form, right? We must always reduce to the whole number. I will not accept over 1 as a correct answer. It has to be reduced to the whole number format if you can. Improper fractions are good, but not when it's over 1. Okay? We can all divide by 1. Yeah. Okay, any questions over this? Are we all good? Okay, we're done.
Last year,